Hey there and welcome to the Just Tales. We leave for Scotland in 2 days. I have quite the to-do list which I will go through with you guys, but I thought it'd be fun to make a vlog about how we're preparing to leave, and then I'm also going to include what I'm packing and how I'm packing, because I am packing for 12 days in Scotland. The weather is notorious for being all over the place on a carry-on. So we're going to do that together. Right now I need to clean. It is about 4:30, so I am finished with work and I am so exhausted. So I don't like to have caffeine after like 2 o'clock, but I think I'm gonna have to break out my Alani Nu that I've been saving, and maybe my husband will split it with me, but even if he doesn't, I think I'm gonna have that because I need some energy to power through. My house is an absolute disaster, and my number one rule whenever I'm traveling is that I come home to a spotless house with no clutter, fresh sheets, bleached toilet bowls so there's no mold growing in there, because when you're gone for like 2 weeks, things happen. You got the floors downstairs? I'm going to dust our bedroom and the living room. Matt, you've got to use cleanser and you've got to actually wipe off the whole counter.
I got this. Oh my god.
Want to split it with me?
Yes. No, I don't like that one, actually.
Why not? It's good.
I'm not a fan.
Can you please split it with me? Because I'm not going to drink it all.
I don't want it. I really don't want it. I won't drink it at all.
Here, you can have this little one. I don't know how you don't like this one. It tastes so good.
Oh.
Just taste it again.
I know what it tastes like.
Want me to stay up all night?
You can stay up on something.
This tastes just like Skittles. It's my favorite. It's the Alani Nu Cosmic Stardust. I have a playlist on my Spotify called Decorating the House. So we're going to play that. Let's go.
How I tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going.
So I have all these stray pieces of string that are super long, so I'm gonna cut those off, and I'm throwing all my white rugs in the wash.
All the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is
Okay, my favorite thing to do whenever I leave for vacation is to spray diluted Clorox. This is like 25% Clorox and water, so it's a Clorox water mixture. I spray Clorox water in my toilet bowls before I leave, and it prevents any mold or rings in your toilet when you're gone for an extended period of time. So I'm gonna put this in our guest toilet and in the downstairs bathroom toilet, and we will only use our bathroom toilet, and then before I leave Thursday, I'll spray this in our bathroom.
it's when you touch my hair.
Okay, I don't even want to begin this this wreck. We are organizing this room. We've just recently redone the whole room, and we have organized every single little drawer. So now I've got to clean it all up.
Goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
Okay, it is the next day, obviously. I'm actually taking my mom out for Mother's Day dinner since we will be gone during Mother's Day. Yesterday, we spent 4 hours cleaning the entire house, like a deep clean, getting everything ready. You saw this morning, I washed my sheets and our duvet cover. We're gonna sleep in them tonight, but they'll still be pretty fresh whenever we come home. So everything will be completely cleaned, organized, no clutter whenever we leave. So tonight or tomorrow, it depends on how tonight goes with my mom, I'm going to film what I'm packing. I've got all of my stuff pretty much packed and laid out. I just need to pack it a little bit neater, and I wanted to film it for you anyways. That's the whole point of this video. So I will do that tonight or tomorrow. T-minus 3 hours until we leave for the airport, and I've got to pack all my stuff. I'm gonna show you every single thing that I'm taking and how I'm packing it in my carry-on and my personal item. I did make a purchase last week that came in the mail yesterday, just in time for my trip, and it was from Base, I don't really know how to say it. This brand right here, and I got the large weekender bag and the mini weekender, and this is what I'm taking as my personal item on this flight. We'll start with my airport outfit. First, I am bringing and wearing on the plane these platform Converse that are super comfy for walking around all the time, but still could be styled for dinner. I am wearing these black flare leggings, my black Like a Cloud long line sports bra. This is super comfy, a simple black tank, and this Lululemon scuba jumper. Since this is a overnight flight, I'm also taking my hooded neck pillow and a sleep mask. And now for everything I'm packing 2 pair of shoes, these tennis shoes, and my waterproof hiking boots, a rain jacket, 1 pair of denim jeans, a cropped black long sleeve, a merino wool navy long sleeve, a neutral colored jumper, a gray sweater, this mauve colored corduroy long sleeve, and a reversible vest that you can wear like this or like this. This colorful scarf, this can actually double as a headpiece if I wanted to wear it over my head in case of a surprise rain. Plus it keeps you warm, and this will add color to all of my outfits. This workout hat for hikes, a white long sleeve, black Lululemon Align leggings, thicker ribbed black leggings that I got from Amazon, a black and a white sports bra, a black activewear shirt. This is the Lululemon Swiftly Tech shirt, and the exact same shirt in white. I'm taking a short sleeve pajama set and some long loungewear pants for lounging and also to wear at night if the shorts are too cold. 1 regular bra, a beanie and a warm headband, 3 pair of hiking socks, 1 cotton and 2 wool blend, a pair of sock slippers for lounging, 5 pair of ankle socks. All of my packing cubes are compressible, so after you get done packing them, you can zip all the way around and compress them even tighter. One Pomeranian. I wish I could take you, baby. You're so sweet. You're the cutest little boy. I got this underwear bag from Victoria's Secret years ago. I'm saying over a decade ago, and it has served me well. Look how freaking cute it is. So you put your clean underwear on this side and your dirty on this side. So here's all my underwear. I have these 2 bags full of just random toiletries. So in here I have my razor, my deodorant, all of my vitamins for the 12 days we're going to be gone, and my retainer. And in this one I have some eyebrow gel, my temp drop that I wear at night to take my temperature for fertility tracking. I have some lip liner, a brow gel applicator, some powder dry shampoo, and all of my hair ties. Before anyone says anything, I have sanitized this suitcase before it goes on the bed to pack. I have this shoe bag from my Hunter rain boots, so I put my hiking boots in here just so that whenever they get muddy and dirty and we're on the way home, I can put them right back in the bag and they won't get anything else dirty. Now we are packing my mini weekender bag that I just got. This thing is absolutely incredible how much you can fit in here. Starting with the bottom compartment, I am just putting one pair of shoes in here. I'm taking this belt bag with me, and in it I already have my sunglasses and my global entry card. I also like to carry these little shout wipes with me. I am bringing 2 claw clips with me. I'm also packing my toothbrush for easy access since this is an overnight flight. I have my Kindle e-reader, and I'm also bringing a travel mirror. It does light up on its own, which is really nice to have when traveling. I'm going to shove my neck pillow in the bottom of this. My sleep mask. This is my extra phone battery, my extra camera chargers, and my headphones. My computer charger will also go in here, and these are all of my chargers and tech items. I always bring my own water bottle on every trip that we go to, so my empty water bottle is in here as well. And last but not least, my MacBook Pro. This is a 14-inch and it fits perfectly in the mini weekender.
When the day turns into night, it's you.
I'm all packed and ready to go. I showered and put on my nighttime skincare because it is, again, overnight flight. We are about to leave for the airport. I will be doing videos of everything that we do while in Scotland, as well as daily vlogs on my TikTok and my Instagram reels, and I'll try to put them on shorts if they're short enough. I'll see you there. Bye.
I did one big fight, it's you.